First of all, I'm here to confirm the loss of 2 lives related to these fires. The group from our search and rescue teams today went up to the little North Fork area. When they arrived, they did find the 2 victims in a vehicle. We also fear that this is not going to be the only folks that we find deceased up there.
We are in a rescue mode right now, keeping the public out of harm's way in front of the fires. That is our sole focus for now. We're going to see and continue to see a lot of devastation and loss of life.
Last night, a couple cars came up with their blue lights and their weird sirens, and they just said, everybody out. My neighbors left before I did, and I just did the things you do before a fire hits. You know, get stuff out of the way, and I just got in my car and came down here.
I escorted the Marion County Commissioners on a driving tour up the canyon on Highway 22. We went up through all of the cities up to Detroit and then back down. What we saw there was very treacherous roads, very treacherous conditions. Highway 22 itself was impassable in areas without assistance. I would encourage others to stay out of the area as much as possible until we can make these roads safer.